was forever, ever holding, never mind. Oh,
My beautiful cancers, कैसे हैं आप लोग? You are the water signs are like the highest watching signs on the channel. I love you guys to bits. Thank you so much. My new joiners, I welcome you on board. My old joiners, I love you so much. Thank you for being here with me. And आज हम आपकी रीडिंग करने वाले हैं. It would be all love reading, just a relationship reading, okay? Could be with your existent one, the one you're in, something that you're inviting, or could be like your couple relationship, singles relate, whatever. जैसे भी आपके साथ resonate करे, okay? Cross watchers, do use your inner compass to watch it, okay? Do watch your sun, moon and rising, guys. I do not do reversals unless I'm guided to. Genders में tap in नहीं करते हैं, only energies, okay? So we're gonna pull out a love oracle for you, and then I'm gonna pull out the tarot guidance, the relationship guidance, and we're gonna seek out clarifiers, okay? So मेरी सारी information description box में kindly have a look and do press the bell icon so that you know when the next reading is uploaded, and keep that in mind. I do not do readings for money, okay? I do this out of sheer passion because I am a mystic. I am into the journey on the soul path, and I'm only available on Twitter, okay? So Michael, show me the messages I need to see for my Cancer, my Kark Rashi. It's going to be an English reading essentially, but of course with a flavor of Hindi. And now, you know, everywhere people get subtitles and things like that. So I'm trying to grow organically. I don't want to monetize it really for now. And I would really appreciate if you could support the channel by liking and subscribing. So Michael, show me the message I need to see for my Cancers. Oh, there are too many. Cancers, you're all emotions, right? All emotions. What are the messages, Blueberry? Blueberry, Mr. Guide. Wow. Let's see. We have respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. Such a balanced energy, Cancers. I think you guys know exactly, because that is why you're the nurturers, right? So come to think of it, you know, it is about alignment of the spirit. It's about knowing what is really serving, you know, it's about knowing how you can keep things going in balance. COVID times are not easy for relationships as well, because there's distance which is playing. You're not able to meet the person you're in love with, you know, and you feel the absence, you feel their warmth because you want to be around those people. You're not able to go out on dates, you're not able to spend time, party a little, you know, have a good time. But this is about that balance. You're bringing in that balance and you understand that. You're offering this to your partner also. Singles could be couples who are in a committed relationship, could be married people as well. There's distance, of course, which is playing a huge role here that I see, but it's just that you're honoring whatever is going. You're not questioning, my Cancers. You're really not questioning it. You're saying, you know what, I understand if you're not able to meet, I understand the gap, the difference, but you're saying let's keep the faith, let's keep the love that we have, because that is how you respect. Maybe the one you are talking about or thinking about is not giving you time right now, the kind of time you want or demand, right? Because Cancers need a lot of energy, they need a lot of time, they need a lot of care, you know. It's not like they want to be, they're not clingy, but it's just that they want care from the person they're connected to. So I see that you are keeping yourself in control, really, for the same, that maybe somebody is not getting the kind of time and energy that somebody used to get, you know, my Cancers. So it's okay, it's going to be okay. That's what they say. Let me see, what are the messages Cancers still? What are the messages in the Kark Rashi? What are the messages for Kark Rashi? What are the messages for Kark Rashi? Michael Blueberry, show the messages I need this. Yes, good. Show me the message of Cancer for Kark Rashi. Using the Lightseer deck, okay? Cancer people, my Cancerians. तुम हो तो गाता है दिल, तुम नहीं तो क्या हासिल। So basically, the song that I'm humming is coming for somebody. Maybe somebody is listening to this song, or somebody is feeling that you know, when you're around, my heart is just so filled with love, more love, more love, more love, and nothing can change it. Nothing can change it because you bring in so much of love in my life. So very emotionally balanced relationship is what I see for my Cancer that you are seeing or experiencing. Magician, it is coming around. Ooh la la, all the tools available. Could be a Taurus, could be a Gemini. For me it's a Cancer too. Okay, so Aquarium again. So it's the potent most card that you know, it's all good. This relationship has everything that is needed. The foundation of this relationship, my Cancers, we're talking about the sum that I'm resonating with. This relationship has it all. The tools are all good. How you keep them in balance, that is what they're saying, and you're doing that. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job because you're bringing everything into the circle, because you're understanding the other person's point of view too. You're not saying that, oh, you're not giving me time, I don't like it. You're in fact saying that, you know, I understand that you're not able to give me time, and you're patiently waiting. With the Seven of Wands here, you're waiting. You're saying that, okay, could be a fire sign that you're dealing with. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, full moon Sagittarius, maybe you'll receive that kind of communication, but they're saying that you're okay about it. You're saying, I understand. I kind of understand what's going on here. I do understand why it's happening. I too terribly feel the same. As much as I want to celebrate and be with you, co-create with you, I am just waiting. I'm sincerely waiting. Three of Pentacles for a lot of people is like, a lot of readers is like a third party kind of card. But in this reading, I don't see it. I see it more like co-creating. It's like I am okay. I'm ready to wait. चाहे इसको बनाने में, इसको ready करने में it might take some time, but I'm okay to wait and invest. Okay? And the person on the other side is saying that, okay, great. I mean, if you can see that, the other person would value you more. Okay? And let me just show you this. The person here is not interested in the woman sitting on the other side. Okay, he's consistently watching to the woman who is looking at her, right? So he says that he knows, or whoever the energy is. Okay, they say that, you know, they know that, you know, you are there for that person because you understand. As I said, the foundation of the relationship is strong. So wow, someone here, my Cancerians, you guys are like lovely people here, any which way. I'm a Cancer too, but you know, one has to check one's. Now we have, see, the wheel, which is the Jupiterian energy. So it's changing, and as we say, you know, it's time. It's going to pass off. It's going to pass off. Okay. With the Nine of Wands, they're saying whatever experiences, thoughts that are going in your head right now, you're telling yourself, Cancerians, that, you know, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, and we're going to be together. With the Ace of Cups here, it's like, you know, you'll always be there. You're telling that person or the energy that you'll always be there because there's so much of love between you both. Okay, you guys have a lot of love for each other, and that is what makes this relationship what it is today. With the Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck, it says the same thing, that, you know, there's a lot of love. With the Ace of Cups and the Two of Cups, you gotta be kidding me. It's like a lot of love. It's like, wow. It's like someone says that, you know, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमसे सनम. Considering that's the kind of vibe that you love the person so much. The song basically says that I love you way too much beyond imagination, and I'm ready to wait. I'm eagerly waiting because I know you love me too. Because you both, I think, see each other in the similar light, in the same energy, and you both offer that kind of love to each other, and it's a strong soulmate, soul tie kind of connection. Maybe you're dealing with a co-water sign, or maybe somebody's coming in. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, as I said. Could be a Gemini in the mix that I see, but let's see. Of course, by full moon in Sagittarius, it should get a little clearer to you, and it's just wow, like amazing reading. So let me see what is the clarifier and the outcome as per this, with the Ace of Cups and the Two of Cups here. What else we need to see? Although I'm done with the reading here, but चलिए let's see, एक बार हम देख लेते हैं कि क्या आएगा. आएगा 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 आने वाला. So someone is coming, rushing in. Let's see who's coming in, people. My goes some of the messages, the clarifiers. Someone really needs to have coffee. Please have coffee. You sing, I'm done, I'm burdened, I'm done, I'm waiting. Tabhi that song came, na? Aega, aega. So it's like you're waiting, you can't hold it on because it's a relationship message, right? So there's no like that kind of burden. It's not that. It's about how much you would see. With the High Priestess, you know when it's gonna happen. The initials could be a B or a J that you're dealing with. You know, as I said, it is definitely a co-water sign. Could be you being very intuitive with the Ace of Pentacles around. It is coming. Hands down, it's coming. You've got it. Spirit has your back, Cancerians. And trust your intuition. Do not question. There's a lot of love. A lot of love. And the person you're asking about is saying that, you know, I know that you love me so much as I love you too. So it's very equal. That's why, you know, when I was starting the reading, it came about the gender thing. So we don't talk about gender, right? We talk about energy. So you both know, you both love each other, and you know there's a lot of respect for the same. आप दोनों को उस चीज़ का एहसास है, तभी आई थिंक आप इतना कन्वीनियंटली और इतना तसल्ली से अपने आप को बैलेंस कर पा रहे हैं. आप इनफैक्ट काम कर रहे हैं अपने ऊपर. दैट्स व्हाट आई सी यू वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड यू सेइंग, यू नो व्हाट, आई अंडरस्टैंड इट एंड all shall be fine, because there would be a fresh new beginning that's going to happen, and I know you're coming back soon. We're going to be together soon. So wow reading, such a wow reading, my concerns. I love it. So if this resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and also do share it with other people. And I love you to the moon and back. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.